This next feature I'm going to talk about, it's not exactly brand new. It's been around for a while, but it was always optional for schools to have it on or off. We've had it on for a long time. It's just been made mandatory now. So I wanted to talk about it though because I don't think too many people are too aware of it. It's called the student context card, and the way you get to it is from the grade book. You can click on any individual student, and the context card opens up from the right hand side. Some things you can do just from this view right here is I could quickly send a message to the student if I wanted to. I can click on this and pull up the grades for the course. I can take a look at some analytics. We'll actually cycle back to that one. It'll show me what the overall grade in the course is, how many missing assignments, how many late assignments, grades on the last 10 items. You can take a look at participation as compared to the rest of the class. But on the new analytics, when you take a look at that, this is a new feature that's available in Canvas that really gives you more information about participation, communication, and activity for a student in a class. So for example, I can take a look over the course of time where grades stacked up. So maybe if I'm trying to identify some trends in a student's performance, I can do that. And down here at the bottom just shows between an assignment and a quiz. That's kind of the differentiation there. And I can actually have a couple of different options there to customize the chart. I can look at weekly online activities so I can kind of see how they're doing a week at a time, again, to try to identify some trends that might have kind of caused an increase or decrease in performance. And I can also look at communication. Not too much communication going on with this student, but what it does is it shows you how many times you've maybe reached out to a student and they've not reached back. So all of this is just good information to have. We're trying to figure out how to best serve our students if we need to pull it together for a conference, either a case conference or an actual just conference with a parent about performance, or to conference with students individually. All of those are good. So student context card, super helpful. Hopefully it brings you some value.